Hey everybody, welcome back. Here we are, tutorial number 3 on the one shade eyeshadow palette focus is what I'm thinking about. Let me fix this. So we're going back into the Interstellar Icon. And today we are going to do HYPNOTIQUE. Is that what it is? HYPNOTIQUE is going to be the shade we are going to focus on today. I'm actually really excited because this shift is just so gorgeous. And yes, I have the windows open. It's finally starting to get somewhat nice. But without further ado, I think I'm going to look to see if I still have a highlighter that has like a blue iridescent type of feel, because I really want to stick with that iridescent. I feel like the liquid, or not the liquid, the balm highlighter would look really good with this one, the Violet Extreme Cyber Orchid. Oh, maybe I should get that. I would only get it just for one look, to be honest. So I think I have one from NYX, I think. But let me go ahead and prep my eyes, and we will get right into this tutorial number 3 of the one and done shade of the Interstellar Icon. So, oh gosh, look at that shift it has though. It's just so beautiful. It's gorgeous. Alright, so take 2. Here we are with the, I hope they're even. Screw it. We're going to live with it. Pro Filter, Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer for the eyes. And I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty's Islanding Bronzer. I may get the Pat McGrath bronzers. I don't need any more bronzers. I seriously don't. But I want to. But I shouldn't. Alright, so going in with the big floofy brush and just really going into the crease. Perfect. Just to add a little shape to the eyelid, to the crease. Perfect. I know I said one and done, but I just really need to give a little bit shape to the eye. I already screwed up this one and done by doing this. I know. Bear with me. I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff it out. Floof, 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 huh? Now, the HYPNOTIQUE. Actually, you know what first? You know what? No. Do I want to add the highlighter now or later? So I thought I had the NYX one. I don't. I got rid of that because I remember that it was broken out of the duochrome eyeshadows I had. That's my dishwasher. They're dry. Oh, no. No. So, I'm going to go in with a flat brush into HYPNOTIQUE and really begin to pack that on. God, that is gorgeous. Yes, you can hear the birds, I'm pretty sure. But this HYPNOTIQUE is really starting to remind me of the astral shade that is in the Midnight Sun. Is it just me? Or does it remind you of that also? But this is gorgeous. I'm going with my finger to see if I could get, oh, there we go. Definitely more of an impact with a finger, obviously. But this is so beautiful. Oh. Just gonna go ahead and go with my finger to really lay that down. And then going in with the brush to just lay it a little bit more precise in certain areas. Oh, come on, just stay. But I am thinking of possibly getting some bronzers from Pat McGrath, but I have so many bronzers as is, because it would be nice to do a full face of Pat McGrath. But they just seem like they're just a little too orange or way too red, which I hate in bronzers. My go-to all-time favorite bronzer that I still use to this day, even doing makeup for 20 years, the one I still go back to for me and a lot of clients is Hoola by Benefit. Still my go-to. But this is just so beautiful. Now, I'm going way back. So I do have this Metal Crush still from Kat Von D. So I'm actually going to use this to put right into, you know what, as a brow bone, as a brow highlight. Really keep that cool tone still going. Get that icy look going. Perfect. So definitely an easy one and done type of tutorial today. Actually, just whatever's left, just gonna put on top. But getting more of that blue duochrome thingy going on. So let me go and do the mascara and liner, and then we will be back so we can see where we are at, and then we will continue on to the final verdict and look. So this is where we are at. Don't judge me, I messed up this side so bad, but we're just gonna keep going because this side looks good and I'm gonna take a lot of pictures on this side. But I mean, for the most part, I mean, you could tell, I mean, having hooded eyes regardless with liquid, not the easiest. I think they're still a little wet. But I am actually really like this violet. Oh, look at that. It's just so chromatic, especially with the blue highlight. I cannot wait to take pictures. It's gonna look so gorgeous. But I really messed up on the liner. Should I take it all off and redo it? You know what? No, we're here. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna persevere. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna push ahead. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and start getting my face ready. I'm still using LM11 in the foundation and concealer for this continuation. I am still waiting for Pat McGrath to restock 14 LM14 because the sun is coming. I am getting a little bit more color finally, so I still feel like LM14 would definitely be like my perfect shade. So let me go and do the rest of my face and then we will see the final look. And here we are, final look. I mean, can we get any more hypnotique than this? This is such a beautiful shade. If I ever, most likely will, if I ever get the Midnight Sun, I do want to compare, or if somebody has this and the Midnight Sun, can you please do a comparison of the Hypnotique with the Blitz Astral shade from that? Because I feel like they're almost identical. I think the one from Midnight Sun may have more of that violet flip in there rather than the blue. But for a highlighter, I have on the Metal Crush from Kat Von D. Stefanook is what I have. I mean, I totally forgot I had these, to be quite honest. But it did come in handy. So, Kat Von D highlighters, Stefanook on Fenty Beauty's Sunstalker and Island Ting. I am like still so tired from work today. And Island Ting for bronzer. I do want to get the Pat McGrath bronzers, but I just might wait until we get it in store here in the Netherlands so I can see it in person to really see if it's something I can add and get rid of some other bronzers, maybe, possibly, but we shall see. Blush is actually a combination of my good old buddy old pal Nymphette, actually mixed in with a little bit of, what is this, Desert Orchid? Yeah, Desert Orchid mixed with Nymphette is actually what I have on for blush. And I actually added on the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Filter, Flawless Filter, and Medium 4 to the foundation to get an overall glow. which I think I might have done a little too much, but whatever. It's for the look. And I also have on Supermodel for the lips and Pale Fire Nectar. Pale Fire Nectar for lip gloss. So this is the final look. Here's a close-up. I mean, it's just so so beautiful. As usual, go to my Instagram page to see the final edit of everything. This side is just a hot mess. The struggle of having hooded eyes, I swear. But for the most part, tutorial number 3, a one and done eye look. This is definitely the last one I have is going to be the golden solar Polaris, golden Polaris, which is going to be this one. Might do a Marilyn Monroe moment with that one. Ooh, we shall see. But I hope you guys are enjoying this. If you have this, pull it out. We've already on tutorial number 3. The first one was Divine Dahlia. Gorgeous. And the Blood Moon. Gorgeous as well. But we have one more to go, and I may transition this into a quad focus like I did with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk of Dreams, or whatever it is. So we shall see how this goes. But let me go and do the pictures. Go to my Instagram page to see the final edits. Follow me on my TikTok, the YouTube channel, the Instagram. I think that's everything. And Twitter. I actually do have a Twitter that I starting to post a lot more on. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you have this, oh my gosh, pull it out. Let's play again. It's been a moment. Wow. Holiday is right around the corner, to be quite honest. So this is just so beautiful. You guys have a great day.